Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to tip on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you don't have one. Now that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the address and we have the search bar. And in the bottom, we have 4 tabs, which is the home, shops, search, and the account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and tip on Foodpanda. First of all, you need to go and buy something. To do so, you just need to go and from all the cuisines, click on the cuisine that you would like. Then after that, you just need to find the restaurant that you would like. I'll click on this one, for instance. And then go down and click on the plus button for the food that you would like to buy. After that, go back to the main screen. And in the top right corner, you will have your shopping cart. Here, from now on, you can go and buy anything that you put in your shopping cart. After buying, when the food arrives at your home, you will have the option to then, if you're of course satisfied, to tip the courier. So guys, that's basically that. And that guys, as I said, that will be that. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.